I'm Federico, CEO of Coffeehouse. So, I took Taylor's class, I watched his videos, and I listened to his presentations. I gotta say, it was one of the most interesting learning experiences in my life. As a startup CEO, I'm always looking at new ways to grow my business. But at the same time, I don't have a lot of time. So I love to find shortcuts that can help me boost my company and engage in a better way with my clients. As I told Taylor, I read several books on marketing and growth hacking in the past, but I was still a little lost. It's pretty hard to identify what works and what doesn't. There are so many tools and techniques out there. But after taking Taylor's class, everything became more clear to me. I was able to listen to his class and immediately afterwards call my team and tell them, hey, maybe we should try this thing. Maybe we should run this experiment. And that's pretty rare. He was able to condense 15 years of experience into a few hours of classes. And I just love that. Another thing that I find really inspiring was that whenever you talk to him or his company, you can see that they walk the talk. They basically apply the things that are teaching us to their own business. You can basically see growth hacking in action. And that was really inspiring. So I will strongly recommend his class. It was an incredible investment for us. And I can't wait to see whatever other classes or material they produce in the future. I just loved it. Thanks, Taylor.